How's it going, Ryders? This is Ghost Rider. This is my review of the wind deflector on the side fairings for my 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. Let's go, Ryders. Today, I'm going to be installing this to my 2015 Street Glide Special. They're wind deflectors and they're supposed to help with head buffeting. So, to show you, I've already installed one side. I got this one installed. When I first got this, I kept getting, a lot of head buffeting, and I was trying to figure out how to fix that. So I saw this. It's pretty easy to install. 3 screws. And if you look at the other side, I already took the screws off. There's holes over here to where you screw them in right there. Yeah, the 3 holes are right there. So if you look, the back already has the 3 holes on them, so it's pretty easy to install. You just mount it, and it did come with screws right over there. Excuse me. There's a couple of screws in there that we used, so I'm gonna install this other one and take it for a test drive, and I'll let you know what I think. Here's a profile, or here's what it looks like when they're done. Personally, I think it looks pretty damn good. It really goes with it, Makes it look fatter, I guess. When I first got this special, I felt a lot of head buffeting. So right now, I'm going about 70. And I'm actually not feeling anything. I mean, I feel a little bit, but I can tell you it really did take a lot away. Right now I'm going about 85. I feel a little bit, but like I said, it's tolerable. But it's better than what I had before, which was nothing, right? So this works. I could say it took at least 25% of the head buffeting off, which is actually kind of a lot. My next goal for head buffeting is the windshield. Well, that's my review. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. But I can tell you that the fender air deflectors for street lights, it works. I'm going almost 90 right now, and I feel it, but not as much as I normally do. Plus I'm going 90. Alright guys, ride safe.